Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using a Hotmail or Outlook account and want to change your password, maybe for security reasons or just to update it, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your Hotmail password step by step using the updated Outlook login page. So, let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser, Chrome, Edge, or anything you prefer. Now, go to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. You can simply search for Outlook Sign In or type outlook.live.com in the address bar. Next, click on Sign In, then enter your Hotmail email address, phone number, or Skype ID, whichever you use to log in. After that, type in your current password and click Next to access your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Click on it and then select My Profile from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your Microsoft account settings page. Now, from the left-hand side, find and click on the Security tab. Here, you'll see several options related to your account protection. Click on Change Password. Before you can continue, Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity. You can do this by receiving a verification code through your email, phone, or authenticator app. Just choose the method you prefer, enter the code, and proceed. Once verification is complete, you'll be asked to enter your current password and then create a new one. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid using your name, birthday, or anything too obvious. Then, confirm the new password and click Save. That's it. Your Hotmail password has now been successfully changed. And there you go. That's how you easily change your Hotmail or Outlook password. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.